Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kotcyn. And I'm Dennis. And today we're just going to go back over how to create multiple agents in the Google Antigravity. I done it earlier in a different series, but I did get a comment that they were still having issues about how to create them. So I just wanted to clear this up, and I might have went over it too fast in the other one. So stick around. Okay, everyone, when you open Google Anti-Gravity, you may or may not be in this particular one that shows kind of like the traditional IDE. But if you are in this and not into the Agent Manager, go ahead and click this button. It's an Open Agent Manager, and it will bring you into it. Okay, everyone, now what we did, we're in Agent Manager. And as you can tell over to the right, it says Start New Conversation in Playground. That's what we did last time. We done it. We spun up the agents and Playground to isolate it from our regular code so there wasn't no helps or something like that with our code. But today I'm going to show you how to do it actually in your workspace or namespaces. See the word workspace up there right below it says open workspace. Click it and you see highlighted in blue, open new workspace. Go ahead and click it. And you could put a new folder in there, or you could go ahead and have one. You could click to open. I'm going to do a test one and I'm going to click open. There's nothing in it. And now, as you see to the right, it says start new conversation in task. And I got my workspace open. So the first conversation is ready for us to start our anti-agent in there, or our agent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spin up at least 4 different ones. And this is just kind of me just putting some words in there and getting it going. And I'm going to call this agent 1. So I can show you how many agents I'm doing and everything. And click that. It says create a new web page, web project optimized for Cloudflare. I'm click the send button. See, it's generating. We got our agent 1 already going through everything. Here's what we need to do now is go up here. It says start conversation. When you click it, again, it's ready for us to put in another agent prompt. And we're going to put in another prompt, but I'm going to call this agent 2. That way you can see how everything works. And we're going to click start. Of course, you're the architect here, and whatever you decide how you want to word it, it's kind of like being the boss. You tell it what to do, and it will do you. Now we got 2 agents running. We're going to go up here and click new or start conversation. And when you start the conversation again, what it's doing is waiting on you to add another agent. We're going to call this agent number 3. And we'll click that and hit send. And just for kicks and giggles, I want to show you that you can put as many agents you want, and they run parallel with each other. And these particular agent is running the back end, the front end, everything in between, and is doing it in parallel and is doing it with no fuss and everything. And then I'm just going to click it. Now, as you can tell, I got 4 different agents running right now parallel to each other. And I'm going to give you something to look at. Here's the little thing. You see that little bell button? And right above that, you see that little blue dot? Those tell you something. Even though I have this on pretty much go through everything itself, it still got certain things it wants you to either reject, run, or proceed. So like this blue button, I'll click it. It looks like it must be already done. That's why I got that blue button. You see, but that little bell that tells me I need to pay attention to that. When I click it, see what it's telling me to do? It wants me to read what I got and either reject it or run it. I'm going to hit run, and it'll just continue doing everything until we get all this done. And that's how you start agents in your Google Anti-Gravity, and you can run as many as you want, parallel with each other, front end, back end, everything in between, functions, you name it. I appreciate everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.